If they is not working, they will function have to attain that one.
So it will be a downtime, right? So we need to consider also our device.
But why it will happen? Because we are standby system. It is not working. It will take another standby system is there.
So
When issue comes for the wall, we'll take care of this HAZOP point and other system will take place.
See, okay, excuse me.
Happening for all.
Imran, what I'm saying that.
All will not malfunction to
No, Imran.
It's possible. We are selling your possibility. Then you have to discuss it.
Now we discuss all of this.
See, sorry, I'm looking how to add, and this is how to run the system. The system completely should keep one stream clean. Okay, if you put the sludge in other line, and again you switch off this pumps, again the sludge will be accumulated, and you have to make a flushing of the line. It's preferred to keep one line always at duty, 12 hours a day. In case of emergency, this is in case of emergency, you can go to shut down this one stream and to go to other stream. Why do you have to put valve here and to complicate? Come on.
No.
Guys, I don't want to close this point here. I will take one review.
Not review. Point they have to do it. Otherwise, why they are putting common header? Now it come with the CRB. That's why they are saying this is.
See, finally, this is and we have also responsibility to run the STP in a proper way, not to just to add, not like this.
No, Imran, not. What I'm saying that if you want to close this point saying that put the control valve, probably we are not doing justice. What I'm saying that review the design review separately, and they will take your consultation and company consultation, and they will provide appropriately. Let us not take decision here. I will put a point.
Yeah.
I will not say control valve. I will not say manual valve. I will say review the requirement of control valve.
Agreed. Yes, agreed with the chairman. Please,
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah.
And right now, as chairman described, this system will not work. After the check valve, it has to have a manual valve to close it. Right now, the way that it arranged, it's not going to work, as chairman indicated. I agree with chairman.
Thank you, dear. So I will take another recommendation, a review. Yeah, standby pump, SOV controlled activity, will close, road trip, and this is correct. Review, 16 number.
Well, chairman writing recommendations.